Hi, today I'm going to review the Tailor's Quilt As You Go pre-printed batting. You buy it in a pack and basically what you get is 12 printed batting blocks along with a Quilt As You Go material guide. Tells you how much material you need and what you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is cut yourself a backing square. I'll use this one. And all I did was used a 505 spray to attach the batting to my backing. So let's pretend we've done that with this one. And the first square is a 5-inch square, so you lay that on the batting, pretty side up, and then you go to square number 2. Square number 2 is a rectangle 2.5 by 5. What you do is you place pretty sides together, you stitch 1/4 inch all along that line, and then you finger press it open. Moving on to number 3, exactly the same thing, pretty sides together, stitch all along this 1/4 inch, open it out, finger press it. Don't use your iron because you could distort the batting, because as cotton batting, or any kind of batting really, will stretch if you use a steam iron, so that's why we're finger pressing all the time. Okay, moving on to number 4. That's a 2.5 inch rectangle by 9. Same thing again. Place it down, pretty sides together, 1/4 inch, open it up. There you go. And number 5. Again, bearing in mind that these lines here are placement lines, they're not stitching lines. So we're placing the fabric pretty sides together, doing 1/4 inch, finger pressing it. There we go. And all we've got left now is 6, 7, 8 and 9, which are triangles. So we'll do number 6 first. So again, you place it along there, 1/4 inch, and finger press it back. Now I have one that I've already made up. If you're new to quilting, this is an excellent way to start to do your first quilt really, because you can make it as easy or as difficult as you want. This one I've made up exactly the same way as the other, 1/4 inch, flick it back. I've just pinned the 4 corners and I've started to do my quilting. If I flip it over, you can see the quilting on the back. So I started, I've got a sewing machine, I've got the Singer Patchwork. It's got quite a number of lovely fancy stitches, so I thought, oh, I'll give them a go. And I've used a plain background just so really, you know, you can see how lovely the quilting is. So I've gone round the first square here, then I drew some lines using a heat erasable pen and a ruler and just did some straight stitching. Then I moved on and I did 5 lines and then just randomly chose 5 different stitches to go across, and I'm just moving my way around. I finished the edge with another fancy stitch just because I wanted to. But this is that edge, but you really, you know, you could quilt all the way back to here. You can do as much or as little as you like. In my next video, I'll show you how to do sashing. Quite simple. Thank you for watching. Bye.